Let me tell you, like I joined recently, and I am surprised to see how the servant leadership is being followed here, and it is not only being followed because it is a rule or kind of they have to do. It is because like it is adding values, and they have experienced it is adding values. That's why they want to circulate that all with all the employees and the leaders, and so that it can be a culture going forward because they are the people who will be leading. My name is Saswat Behera, and I just I'm a part of the Elements Health Group, and I joined recently UST just 1 month back. And that is another thing, that is actually when you come to a new company, you are seeing such type of things. Definitely, your impression for the company grows, and there is the company is running with some values and adding to the community. These are few things. See, definitely, I would say there are few things. Let me be very frank. We also practice and I feel the leadership that I always try to do is kind of in the same line that we learned, but at the same time we got to know the terminologies and the practical defined way how it should go, and with some kind of rules, regulations, or culture, or whatever the values that we are adding, with some kind of definitions, and also that you will be sticking to those kind of values or cultures, even if you are always following that. And I would say the takeaway for all the managers that they should be taking that, the most interesting part that I heard, that inverted pyramid, and normally people don't do that, but they should try in their work, and believe me, that has a lot of it because I have practiced it. Unknowingly it is an inverted pyramid, but we did that, and the pyramid and the inverted pyramid should go together with balanced way, while you are actually bringing up the leadership into your the team members as well it is the turnaround time is less and customer satisfaction is more. That is all, definitely, and I am very happy and thankful to all the organizers to mindfully the contents are prepared, especially to Mary and Anu, to coordinate and have the program established in the first place, and the content is very good. But definitely there's a scope of improvement, and we'll be adding the new situations, because there's a term called situational leadership also. So many type of new type of problem statement also are coming into the whole corporate or in the organization, and we have to also improvise on those with adding more situation scenarios and try to address them through the servant leadership program.
Definitely, we hear you, and thank you, Saswat, once again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative, both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.